American with Basque parents who lived in the Basque Country for a few years when I was young, and then spent the rest of my life back in the U.S. Since high school until my career. And a few months ago, I've decided to come back and try out the Basque Country for my family and I. And of course, I researched and I've been involved in my world, which is the information security software world. And I've been extremely impressed with the support that the local government provides the local companies from the very startup and seed environment, so that startups in the InfoSec area can get to the product market fit stage, as well as helping them integrate into the ecosystem, but also in how the different companies locally work together to ensure security at the different layers of the development life cycle and at the different layers of the delivery of product in the IT and the OT world, as industry is so strong here locally. And I'm extremely interested to continue to learn a bit more of this OT space and how they deliver security specifically in the renewable energy industry area.